Did you know there are 5 essential videos when it comes to building your business with video? Well, that's what I'm sharing in this episode. Hi, I'm Keri Murphy, and welcome back to Inspired Living TV, where we specialize in teaching entrepreneurs how to authentically show up on camera and use video to grow and scale their businesses. So if you are new, welcome, please subscribe and ring the bell to make sure you don't miss an episode. Now, when it comes to your marketing, sometimes you might feel like, what am I putting out there? What videos am I constantly putting out there to really engage my right fit client and build my business? So over the years, I have come up with 5 types of videos that I promise you, if you implement these in your content marketing strategy, you will see more engagement and more sales in your business. All right, so let's start with video number 1. This is positioning. It is shown and proven that when you have a video on the home page of your website will convert at over 82% better. So this video on your homepage quickly lets people know they're in the right place, right? A lot of times people don't stay on a website because the website's all about the person that is hosting the site and not the person coming to the site. So this positioning video quickly states why they're there, why you, what you do, how you do it, and the next step you want them to take. Of all your videos, I highly recommend that you really put some energy and effort into making sure this video looks and sounds its very best. We want it to be the best version of you. Video number 2 is personality. I call these videos the heartbeat of your brand. People want to get to know you, not just your business. So these personality videos, I want you to think of them as like behind the scenes. What do you love to do? Where are you going out to dinner? Are you planning a new vacation? Let people in, because again, people want to get to know you, not just your business. Video number 3 is product. Now, the product videos in my eyes have kind of 2 prongs. One is consistent content that you're putting out to really serve your audience. It is really great content that is teaching, inspiring, helping people get a result that only you can get them. The other side of product videos are online courses and trainings, content videos that people are actually paying for. This is another amazing revenue stream for your business when you know how to do it right. Video number 4 is promotional. What? Yes, people have to know about you and your product so they can make the decision to buy from you. Now, the beautiful thing about video is that it's multi-sensory. And in fact, it has been shown 79%, that's right, 79% of people are more likely to buy a product or service after watching a video. Who has been scrolling through the Instagram and you get caught in a video and you end up buying something? Is it just me? Happened today. I kid you not. So if you're not promoting your products and services through video, you are giving your customers other people to buy from. So please ask people to buy from you. And the last video is proof. You want other people talking about you. So use social proof videos, other people talking about how amazing you are, as pieces of the video puzzle that helps people, again, trust you and make a decision to buy from you. So those, my friend, are the 5 types of videos: positioning, personality, product, promotional, and proof. When you understand how to implement and integrate all these videos into your marketing plan, you're going to see some great success. Need help with that? We have been doing this for over a decade, and we would love nothing more than to help you understand how to really use these videos to grow your business. So if you want a free strategy call with my team, just click the link or go to inspiredliving.tv/strategy call, and we would love to talk to you to really help you understand how to use these videos to really grow your business. If you liked this video and found it useful, do me a big favor. Will you please like it and share it with someone else? Because when you are inspired, you inspire someone else, and I want to help you grow your business. So please use these videos, be consistent with your content, and watch your business grow. Thank you so much for watching me. And as always, remember to dream it, live it, and be it. Until next time.